Hello everyone, we have another package to get unboxed. So here we are guys, unboxing the shoes. Let's see what they have sent me. I'm so excited, let's see what are the shoes like. Let's cut through the foil like this. Okay, and here we have them folks. As you can see, they packed the package very well without any problems, any issues. In the bubble foil, in the bubble wrap. Oh wow! What we are looking at is the Golden Goose Deluxe brand. Let's take a look at this, let's see how they look like. So as you can see, you've got the original packaging saying sneakers, good service. Use this box to store your sneakers, they will rest comfortably, ready to be worn again. The box looks absolutely amazing, I love this. You've got like this nice silver-ish type of finish. And they do open this way. You've got yourself the description of the shoes like this. Enjoy your new Golden Goose. And here we have them guys. Let's take a look at the Golden Goose shoes. Oh wow. Oh, first impression is that the leather is so comfortable and so tender. Like, touching the leather is just amazing. It's super soft, super nice. And here on the back, this is how they look like. This is Golden Goose. This is the other pair, the left one. Looks as good as the right one. And yeah, I have to tell you guys, the materials are absolutely phenomenal. I love them. Obviously you've got the marks here, just as to be expected. And this one also says Golden Goose on the back. In here we also have the promotion deals. So as you can see, Stockx Kicks is where you can get the shoes from. As you can see, they have a lot of different great suppliers, and here's the contact information, the service, and the Instagram, as well as the Discord. You can contact them. They do have just amazing shoes. In here we also do have the foil, of course, for the shoes, as well as this beautiful authenticity tag, which is absolutely amazing. Everything is just included, everything is authentic, so it's great. You do get the Stockx tag, of course, and the bag for the shoes. You can just store them here in the back. Very nice looking. In here we also do have the Stockx tag, which is also pretty cool. And in here we also do have the Golden Goose paper bag. So this is how it all looks like, guys. I absolutely love it. Golden Goose. Now you can tell your friends that you have purchased yourself some Golden Goose, authentic Golden Goose. You've got all your stuff here, as you can see, back and stuff. Everything is included. So now let's talk a bit about the shoes. So as you can tell, this shoe looks absolutely amazing. I really wish you could just feel the leather, because this leather here is just phenomenal. I love the softness of that leather, and when I just touch this, it really behaves like a real leather. It's not like a fake leather or anything. They do look great. I can definitely tell you guys that the shoes are absolutely top-notch quality. There are no defects or whatsoever. Everything looks great. They're not crooked, they're not bent or anything. It's just like you're buying yourself the Golden Goose from their store. This is how the shoe sole looks like. Great as well. And on the other one, it also looks great. And now the insides of the shoes. You've got yourself such a material, just like on the original ones. Materials are absolutely one-to-one. You have no complaints. You cannot complain whatsoever about them. It does say Superstar Golden Goose, made in Italy. And on the heel, this is how the shoe looks like. The tongue is also very well made, as you can tell. Everything is made from this really tender, soft leather, Italian leather, so it's also very nice. And as you can see, the marks are just as they should be. And there's obviously some wear on the material here. Okay folks, so I guess it's enough of me talking. Let's just wear them now, let's see how they fit. I'm so excited for them. Let's do it, guys. So guys, I'm currently wearing them, and as you can tell, they look absolutely amazing. I love them. To be honest, they look great. They look nice. I love it. You can see how they fit. What I'm most happy about is obviously the quality of the leather. It's just absolutely amazing. I love it. And yeah, if you are just considering getting yourself the Golden Goose, get them yourself. You have the link down in the description. So folks, that would be it as for the Golden Goose. Be sure to check out their website, the link down in the description, and they're absolutely amazing. They have wide range of different shoes and gloves, and generally speaking, loads of different items, the luxurious items of course. Yeah, these ones you can totally get. I love them, they're super nice. The leather is just amazing, as I'm telling you a numerous amount of times right now. And yeah, that will be it as for today's video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. I will answer you, and see you in the next video. Bye.